All right, self-identity through hooponopono is not about self-love. It's about divine love, right? So if you are stuck in thinking that you have to do self-love, you are in memories. Yeah, it's by cleaning that you get to divine inspiration and divine love. Big difference. Just like we're not talking about romantic love, we're talking about the care of self, right? Right? Do you like gently talk to your nihipili? Do you explain to your nihipili? Yeah, do you say, I'm sorry, please forgive me for all these abuses I have created or you have accepted? Do you say to your nihipili, thank you for bringing me up these opportunities? Sometimes they might be very horrible, very severe, but, your nihipili saying, look, help me. And often we don't listen to that voice of help, Like, so when you get anxiety stricken or you get like, oh, I can't do this, it's a sign to say, okay, stop. You step back and you say, okay, now, all right, what's going on here, Unihipili? I'm sorry if I neglected you. Lord, shall we clean? Yeah, that's taking good care, right? That way you're connecting up to divine love. Self-care is intellectual, right? You think this is what you should do. You think it's a sacrifice. Thinking, okay, so I always say, the movie Top Gun? Right? Those jet fighter pilots. If you think, you're dead. Simple. Yeah, that's it. But cannot help. In our daily lives, these things just come up all the time, and we get so caught up in being a mother, being a wife, being a partner, whatever it is, that we forget these things. Yeah. But you always gotta go back and to say, okay, thank you, I love you, Inihipili, Thank you for helping me breathe and walk every day. Just a simple task like that, will be the spark to bring light, or at least the beginning of an opening to divine essence.